Hello all, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to a short video. In this short video I'm going to discuss about the topic undo and redo. Undo is means you can go back to the previous step if you have given some matter here, and if you want to undo you can click on this undo button. You could see my cursor button, you could click on this so that it will be undo, and if you want to move forward you could do like a redo, like it will move forward your step. Like these two symbols are used for undo and redo, and the shortcut for undo and redo is as follows, that is Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y. Okay, these are the two shortcuts for going back and moving forward in the Excel sheet. If you want to know more this kind of more shortcuts, please follow my channel for more upcoming sessions, and you could go and follow my channel, and you could comment your doubts based on this Excel and spreadsheet. Thank you, have a great day.